Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a newly married couple, a groom and a bride. Let's start drawing. First I'm going to draw the groom, his nose and his smiling mouth, his face and his hair. Then I'm going to draw his body. He wears a tie, a shirt, and a very elegant suit. Then I draw the details of his suit. I draw his arms and his hands. I continue with his legs and his shoes like this. Next to him, I draw his beautiful wife. I draw her pretty eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth. I start with her face. I draw her very long hair. I continue with her body. She wears a necklace with a heart pendant, her shoulder and arms. In her hands, I draw a nice bouquet of flowers. Then I draw the rest of the wedding dress. Then I draw more of the details. What a beautiful couple! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the groom's skin in cream. Then I used light red for his mouth. I used this dark brown marker for his hair. Then I color his tie black and also his entire suit. And the shoes. His shirt is going to be white. For the skin of the bride, I'm going to use the same cream marker. Then I color her mouth with light red. Then I color her hair with medium brown. I use red, yellow, rose, I color her bouquet of roses light red, yellow, green. To color, I will use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple, pink. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.